Is your preschooler ready for kindergarten? Let's practice our skills to get ready to write. The Texas Education Agency provides a list of skill domains to help determine if your child is ready for kindergarten. Our goal today is to make those standards a little easier to understand and share ways that you can help your child build those skills every day. Today, we're talking about emergent literacy writing skills, which is a fancy way of talking about the skills we use when we start writing and understanding that those words have meaning. These conventions in writing skills help us understand the rules that tell us how to record our thoughts in writing, which is also an important part of reading. Encourage your child to explore writing. Give them plenty of opportunities to write on paper, in sand, in shaving cream, or anywhere. Ask your child questions like, can you write the letter A? Can you copy this letter? Or what letter makes this sound? Practice writing your name or other words by signing your artwork, letters, or other creations that you make. Start with scribbles and gradually work up to legible letters. Help your child explore letters. When looking for the letters to their names, ask about the sound each letter makes as you find it. Can you sound out your name? Describe each letter. Does it have one curve or two? Are there 3 lines that make this letter or just one?